missile test rattling its neighbors. Japan on Monday saying the launch shows a step forward in North Korea's weapons program. The weekend test was the first success following a string of failures. The missile flew for 30 minutes before dropping into the sea between Japan and North Korea. Longer and further than a test from the same location in February.
With this launch, we see some progress within their ballistic missile development, which is why, as a government, we hold on to our claim that we've entered a new level of threat regarding North Korea.
North Korean state media on Monday trumpeted the missile's success. Pyongyang says the launch tested whether the missile could deliver a heavy nuclear warhead. Leader Kim Jong-un warning the U.S. mainland is in, quote, sighting range for a strike. But South Korea is warning its neighbor shouldn't be taken at its word.
We think more analysis is needed to verify North Korea's claim of achieving progress with its missile technology and creating a reliable rocket engine.
Washington calls the launch a message to South Korea, just days after new President Moon Jae-in took office.